Hi mathematicians, we're going to be working with teen numbers today. So for this lesson, we're going to be making the teen numbers and then we're going to record what we made. So you're going to need to have the following materials to help you with this lesson. You're going to need some sort of counter that you can use to actually make your teen number with. So I have a pile of pennies. So I'm going to be using pennies as my counters. You can use things like Cheerios or Goldfish or M&Ms, anything that you have enough of that you can build a teen number with. And then we're going to be recording, so you would need paper, and any kind of paper will do, and something that you can write with like a pencil. I'll be using crowns. And something else that you can use if it helps you when you organize your teen numbers, since we're going to be making a group of 10 and some extra ones with our teen numbers, is you can use a 10 frame if you'd like. So I made this 10 frame on an envelope. The important thing is, if you're going to make a 10 frame to use to build your teen numbers, you need to remember, obviously, to make it have 10 spots in it because it's a 10 frame. So check mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some other mathematicians sometimes use an egg carton where they cut off the last two parts, and so that it has 10 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To help them organize their group of 10 for their teen number. You don't have to use a 10 frame if you don't want to. I'm not going to be using a 10 frame when I show this to you, but I am going to be a careful mathematician, and I'm going to make sure I put my group of 10 for my teen number all together and my extra ones over another spot. So to get started, let's talk about teen numbers. We know teen numbers are the numbers 11 through 19. So let's read them quickly. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And teen numbers, we know, have a 1 at the beginning for the first number, which tells us that there's one group of 10 in this number. See how they all start with 1 for one group of 10. And the second number in the teen number tells us how many extra ones we need. This is important to know when we go and make these numbers and we go and record it. Okay, mathematicians? So I want you to watch me as I make a teen number, looking at how many groups of 10 and how many extra ones are in that number, and then I go and record that number. So I'm going to start with an easy number to show you. I'm going to build the number 11. I'm going to use my counters. Now when I look at the number 11, I notice that the first number is 1. So that's for that one group of 10. So I had to put 10 pennies for that. So here I go. Now remember, I'm not using a 10 frame. So I got to make sure my group of 10 is all together, so that I can see it easily as a mathematician. So let me just check myself here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see I organize it almost like it looks like it's in a 10 frame, right? So I'm not done building 11 yet. I have to look. This next number tells me how many extra ones. I need one extra one to make 11. So that one I'm going to put over here by itself. So you can see it's here. Okay, so mathematicians, you see I just made 11. I have one group of 10 and one extra one. So together, that's 11. Now I have to record it. So to show you, I started it already. Okay, so I took my crown and I made my group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my group of 10. And as a smart mathematician, I went and I put 10 underneath there. And then I put my one extra one over here separate, and I wrote 1 underneath. So remember what they said, one group of 10 and one extra one makes the number 11. I can even check it and see 10, 11. I counted on to check. And so I'm going to write that number at the top here. That's what I just made, 11. I'm even going to put a box around it. Okay, mathematicians, did you see how I made the number 11 into a group of 10 and one extra one? And then I went and recorded it just like that, one group of 10 and one extra one. Okay, so let's do the next number together. Okay, so I'm going to pick a little bit higher number for us, and we're going to make it with whatever counters that you're going to use, and then we're going to record it on our paper to practice. Okay, so let's try making the number 13. Okay, I'm just going to move this down for right now. So when we look at the number 13, mathematicians, there's that one at the beginning that tells us that how many group of 10s do we need? One group of 10. So whatever counters you're using, if you could make them in your one group of 10, either like I did all together here, or you can use some sort of 10 frame to organize them that helps you see it better. Okay, so I'm just going to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're not done yet because we only have 10 and we're building 13. So look at the one spot. How many extra ones do we need to make 13? Do you see? We need 3. So let's put those on. 1, 2, 3. So 13 is one group of 10 and 3 extra ones. And now we need to record it. Okay, so you ready to do that with me? So let's record our group of 10 first, and I'm going to count as I draw them. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's my group of 10. And I'm going to put that 10 underneath there because that's part of my 13. Okay, and then we have to put the extra ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 extra ones. So I'm going to write that number 3 underneath my 3 extra ones. So mathematicians, if we have one group of 10 and 3 extra ones, what number did we make? Let's see. This is 10. I'm going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13. We just made 13. So I'm going to write it here at the top and put my box around it. Look at that. So together, we just made and recorded the number 13. So now, mathematicians, it's going to be your turn to do some numbers on your own. I'm going to give you 3 numbers, and I'm going to want you to do just what we did. I'm going to want you to make it with your counters and then record it. After you're done recording, we're going to need you to take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher so she can see how you made and recorded teen numbers. All right, so what numbers are we going to do? Okay, so let's see. I'll circle the numbers I'm picking. I'm going to pick 3 numbers that I want you to do on your own. Let's try making 15. Okay. And let's try making 16. and try 18. So mathematicians, I'm going to leave you now so that you can make 15 with your counters and record it, make 16 with your counters and record it, and make 18 with your counters and record it, okay? Have fun, and I can't wait to see your work. Bye.